from Just Paint. We're gonna do a 60-second tiger. Close your eyes. I'm gonna use a petal sponge and some Fusion White right on top of the eyes. And then I'm gonna give him a little muzzle. I'm just gonna squish it down so it fits on his tiny little face. And then I'm gonna use an orange and red gradient rainbow cake to do the outline. I'm gonna go over for the ears, down and around. Over for the ears, down and around. And I put a little bit on his lip. And then he's going to get a cute little nose. And his mustache. If you have to paint faces really, really fast for a party or a huge event, this is a really fast way to do a tiger. 1, 2, 3. You can open your eyes if you want to, tiger. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oops, and the stripes here. There we go. He's a cutie.